Okay, so today we are going to discuss another method of solving differential equation if they cannot be solved using the method in solving exact differential equation or homogeneous differential equation or linear first order differential equation or the DE that is variable separable DE. So we have to transform that differential equation into Bernoulli's equation. So if we can transform that into Bernoulli equation, which in this form, which is in this form, y prime plus function of x times y equal to another function of x multiplied by y to the power n. So this is what we call the form of Bernoulli equation. If we can transform the given differential equation into this Bernoulli's equation form, then we can solve it using the given formula. So the given formula in solving this equation is simply y raised to power 1 minus n equal to 1 divided by I of x. So this I of x is what we call integrating factor. So the integrating factor, 1 over the integrating factor multiplied by the integral of 1 minus n, then multiplied by function of x, this one, q of x, multiplied by the integrating factor I of x multiplied by dx plus c. So this is the general form of the solution of the Bernoulli equation. So we simply use this formula if we can transform the given differential equation into this form, where in this formula we have what we call Ix, or the integrating factor, which is given in this formula. Integrating factor I of x equal to e to the power of 1 integral of 1 minus n multiplied by p of x multiplied by dx. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, if we cannot solve the given equation using the other methods that you know, then let's try if we can transform that equation into this Bernoulli equation form. Okay, so once you can do that, then everything will be easy. So that will be our next video for our first example. Thank you.